Hello everyone. In today's lecture, overview of antimicrobial resistance in gram-negative bacteria. I'm going to tell you the various mechanisms and what impact they have on antimicrobial therapy. Now I just wish to start my lecture with something that was told in 1956 by a person called Javits, who was a great microbiologist, and he said that the position of antimicrobial agents in therapy was highly satisfactory at that point of time, and he professed that bacterial infections can be cured very easily and cheaply, and he said that we didn't have to worry about mortality and morbidity due to bacterial diseases. Now if you think about it now, how wrong